Welcome. If you want to make your Discord account easier for friends to find, enabling email discovery is a simple and effective way to do it. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the quick steps to make your Discord account discoverable by email, so others can connect with you more easily. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your user settings. Inside your settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Content and Social. This is where Discord groups features related to how you interact and connect with others. Tap on Content and Social to open up more options. Now, under the Discovery section, you'll see a toggle for email. This setting controls whether people who have your email address saved in their contacts can find your Discord account. To make your account discoverable, simply toggle this switch on. When enabled, friends who have your email in their contacts will be able to see that you're on Discord and send you a friend request. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you've made it easier for friends and contacts to find you on Discord using your email address. Remember, this is an opt-in feature. Your email isn't shown publicly, and only people who already have your email saved will be able to discover you this way. If you ever want to change this setting, just head back to Content and Social and toggle the email discovery option off. Discord puts you in control of your privacy, so you can decide how you want to be found. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with your friends who might want to make their Discord accounts more discoverable too. Stay connected and enjoy chatting on Discord.